Don't film him yet.
I got some new ScannerDanner merch for you.
Yes.
When it snows outside and it's raining on the inside, when it melts, my wife's gag gift to us.
That is awesome.
That reminds me of a dog collar.
Yeah, it's like the cone of shame.
Where was the still image of that one? Caleb was on, did you see Caleb's face? He's like, what am I gonna do with this? What am I gonna do with this?
Oh, that should start the whole thing.
I think I left my timing light here, Danner. I couldn't find it.
I have a few of them. I don't know how to put it back.
I don't even remember how to time a car.